Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Okay, not sure if you can still see it, but we're getting ready for second stage. So what's cool about the booster being separated, which it just did, is it's going to come back and land in the ocean. They've landed 90 of these so far. There's second stage igniting now. And what's really cool is what you see forming is it's high enough that it's hitting the sunlight right now. So this is a very unusual thing. It depends on the launch time of day. And I don't know if you can see the glow ring that's forming around it. It's absolutely gorgeous.
So that is second stage. That's the second stage. I've only seen that.
Almost looks like a big teardrop.